Let's see four stocks for tomorrow's session, that is on 23rd of June 2020. The first stock in the list is Godrej Industries Limited. If you look at the daily chart of the stock, you can see a clear pattern over here. The stock is currently making new highs day by day, marked by this level over here. See, when a stock kind of breaches a high made by a sizable bullish or either bearish candle, it does two things. It either goes into consolidation stage right over here, you can see. I will mark the zone over here. Then it suddenly breaches that level over here. So right now we are at the daily resistance levels in the stock. If I access the weekly chart, you can see over here the stock is bang on the weekly resistance as well. If I move it to monthly chart, you can see that the stock is also trading near about its monthly resistance. So in tomorrow's session, keeping in mind there are lots of buying position open here in 5-minute charts, especially at the end of the fag, and which means that there is a lot of scope for stock to grow in upside in tomorrow's session. Second stock for tomorrow's session is Escorts Limited. If you closely look at the daily chart of the stock, one thing strikes out to me. Once the stock makes an extremely sizable bullish candle, the very next day the stock goes into contraction range right over here. It goes for 3 to 4 days, or it can go for more days. It depends upon the kind of momentum the stock sees for that particular day, and all of a sudden it makes one more sizable bullish candle. Then again you can see the two bearish candle over here. So right now the stock is currently trading or bound for a reversal, or rather retraction to the level over here. See, it is currently contracting over here. So tomorrow we could see stock going down to the levels of 947. What makes this a reversal to 947 or below the levels of 970 even more possible is that you can see the candlestick pattern over here. The stock is contracting and the wick is on the upper end, which means that there are sellers who are selling in a colossal quantity at this particular level. So right now the stock is currently trading and just about the support of these three daily candles. So tomorrow we could see a decent breakout in Escort Limited. Third stock for tomorrow's session is United Spirits. In daily chart, similarly to our previous two stocks, Escorts and Godrej Industries, United Spirit, it is also in uptrend, not a steep uptrend like our previous two stocks. Currently, if you see the candle for the day rather, the candle is extremely strong and it implies a bullish momentum. If you look at the left hand side of your screen, you can see this strong bullish candle over here. So this is where the prices started to go up. So right now the stock is trading just below this candle. So in tomorrow's session, if stock can make new highs, we can see some uptrend close to levels of, let me check, 720 in coming trading session. The stock is currently trading at 612. So this is a very important level for stock, which will determine how it react in coming sessions. So look to see the breakout above 613 in tomorrow's session. Third stock for tomorrow's session is Amar Raja Batteries. Like Escorts Limited, Amar Raja Batteries is also in a kind of uptrend. The uptrend is not as fierce as Godrej and other stocks which I mentioned for the day. Talking about the current trading levels, L- exactly like Escort, Amar Raja Batteries is currently trading at the support level it has created in last four trading sessions. The wick of all these four candles in the upper direction signifies that there is a selling pressure, which is denoted by these two sizable bearish candles. So in tomorrow's session, we could see the levels of 652 from the level of 662. So we could easily grab 10 points in the stock, or it can even go lower if there is a steep downside momentum. If you want to know exact levels in all these four underlying stocks, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.